Hello guys, so I have some trouble getting my TV here to recognize my Xbox, but I found a way to finally have it work. Now when you push the TV video button, it just goes to cable box or no signal. So to fix that, you go to menu, over to channel, go to channel fix, and select video 1. And now you have to plug in your Xbox to video 1, which is the first sequence in the back. Alright, got it plugged in. And now I can play my Xbox. It'd be nice if I could figure out how to get it to recognize the front inputs. If anybody has any know-how on how to do that, feel free to leave it in the comments and help us out. Thanks a lot for watching. God bless.